Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the sounds of different alphabets. Now, my first question is, what do you understand by the term alphabets? Anybody here would like to tell me what is the meaning of the term alphabets? ALPHABETS. What are alphabets? So, alphabets are the letters that we use in writing a language. What are alphabets? Letters that we use in writing a language. Is it clear? Okay. Now, how many alphabets are there in English language? In English language, there are 26 alphabets. How many alphabets? 26 alphabets. These 26 alphabets are divided into two sections. One is called vowels and the other is called consonants. Let's understand what are vowels and what are consonants. Let's first write the alphabets here. The alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. Now, the vowels in the English alphabets are A, E, I, O, and U. These 5 letters, A, E, I, O, U. What are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels and the rest of them are called consonants. Is it clear? Now, each of these vowels and consonants have different sounds. Let's start learning the sounds of each of them. Now, this A is called A. The sound of A is A is apple. Okay, apple. B says b, bat. C says k, k, cat. D says d, dog. E says egg. Elephant. F says fish. G says girl. Girl. H says her hat. House. I says ink. Igloo. J says jug. Jug. K says k kite. L says lion. M says man. Monkey. N says nut. Nest. O O says O. O, orange. O, owl. P says P. P, parrot. Q says Qu, queen. Qu, quilt. R says R, rat. S says sir. Sir, sun. T says t, telephone. U says a, umbrella. V says van. W says watch. X says X mystery. Y says yak. Z says zebra. Okay, let's repeat it. Apple. B, bat. C, cat. D, dog. Egg. F, fish. G, gun. H, hen. E, ink. J, joker. K, kite. L, lamp. M, man. N, nest. O, orange. P, parrot. Qu, queen. R, rat. S, sun. T, tomato. A, umbrella. V, van. Watch. X mystery. Y, yak. And Z says zebra. I hope you all have understood the concept and had fun. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's meet soon, and I'll be waiting in the chat box for a response of A to Z. If you have any difficulty in pronouncing the letters, please do let me know. Bye. Take care.